Hello students, welcome, and in this video we will discuss the follow-ups for describe a tourist attraction which very few people visit but you think is interesting. So the first question is, why do people visit tourist attractions? Well, people visit tourist attractions to experience new cultures, see famous sites, enjoy leisurely time and make memories. For example, visitors might go to the Taj Mahal to admire its legendary architecture or Yellowstone to see the stunning geysers and wildlife. Yellowstone is in United States. It's the Yellowstone National Park. Okay. Second question is, what makes a tourist attraction famous? I feel tourist destinations become popular due to historical and cultural significance, popular depictions in media, and iconic photographic symbolism. Popular depictions in the media translates to movies. You see a place in the movies and you love that place. For example, if anyone has seen Three Idiots, the last scene was in Pangong Lake, Ladakh. So after that movie, it got so famous that everybody used to visit that place. Before, hardly few people knew about it. For instance, Sydney Opera House is famed for its breathtaking modern design. Sydney Opera House is in Sydney. Okay. Third question is, do local people like to visit local tourist attractions? Well, I think it depends on a lot of factors. Most importantly, cost and availability. Locals sometimes visit their own tourist attractions out of civic pride. Civic pride, they love a place which is locally or nearby. They boast about it. For events, but due to familiarity with the surrounding, they can start to take iconic attractions for granted. For example, there is a very famous national park here called Jim Corbett National Park, which is near my house. But I hardly visit there. Why? Because it is too near. Like I've lived here for so long, I hardly visit that place. Fourth question is, what kind of tourist sites are popular in your country? India is a vast and culturally rich country with numerous popular destinations that attract tourists from all over the world. Okay, some of them are the Taj Mahal in Agra, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So the United Nations has sites which says are the best places to see. Okay, while Rajasthan is famous for its vibrant culture, historic fort and palaces. If you go to Rajasthan, you'll see a lot of palaces. There is also Kerala, which is known for its beautiful backwaters, houseboats, and pristine beaches. Kerala is known for its backwaters. Okay, houseboats, kind of like shikaras, and pristine beaches. Fifth question is, what can governments do to prevent pollution in tourist sites? Well, pollution is a significant issue that impacts many popular tourist destinations. I feel that governments can limit pollution at tourist sites through regulations, public transit, visitor caps, and visitor education. Visitor caps, they can put a cap that only certain amount of people can come to the place in a whole year. I think Venice has restricted cruise ships to reduce the pollution harming the city. Venice is in Europe. Okay, the Pope lives there, and thousands of people go there. So, to reduce pollution, what they have done is they have restricted cruise ships. Okay, so this was the follow up for describe a tourist attraction which very few people visit but you think is interesting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button